plain tee. Siser Easyweed to go with that. Line it up. Press the button to suck it in. Ready. Okay, it's time to get the design printed. I already have everything ready, and then moving on. Just trying to see it. Sometimes it's not easy to see. I don't want to cut anything unnecessarily. There we go. This makes it easy to eliminate anything extra that you don't need. And just find the opening and work my way in. I must admit, Siser Easyweed makes it pretty easy. As long as you do the cut right, it usually is a very easy time weeding it. You just have to cut the thing right. You have a high setting, which I've done it before, and you try to do this on a high setting, and it cuts through too much. It's horrible trying to weed it. Sometimes it's just best to start all over again. That's how horrible it is. Weeding takes time and patience, especially when you got small words. Sometimes it gets stuck to your hand too. I totally clean up my space before I start the second project. I review my cutout, make sure everything is completely cut out, make sure there's no stray marks anywhere, like pieces anywhere, because that will get on the shirt and it'll be permanent on the shirt. And I like to clean up my area before I get started. I've made mistakes in the past where I just working too fast, didn't clean up the area, didn't put away certain things, and just breathe, take a moment, and keep working. It's always best, way better than trying to rush it and you have an error and it wind up costing you more supplies just to fix. I personally like taking the cushion out and centering my shirt. I don't normally do it with this is a medium or large shirt. I normally do this with extra large 2X shirts, but I find it to be helpful to put the cushion onto the shirt like that, to kind of center it. So hopefully I have it centered correctly, but I'm gonna keep checking it to make sure it's centered correctly. I personally like to put these on top, but it's not necessary. I like to do it. I like to give 10 seconds sometimes instead of 5 seconds because I feel like sometimes it's not prepared. Plus the temp is down. I don't know why the temp is going down. Let's get a hot peel. I like to move it a little slow just to kind of make sure everything is good. And then if it's not, I can just lower it and put some more heat on it. But we have a winner. This is my cuddling on the weekend shirt.